Hey guys, I thought I'd show you this 1970 Cuda. I picked this up about 2 years ago and kind of rescued it and have never had a chance to do anything with it. What you're looking at is exactly the way I got it. The only thing I've done is I put a battery in it. And when I talk about this car, nobody believes me. So I thought I would put it up on the hoist. Let everybody get a look at it. And I'm kind of moving my trouble light along here, so I'm trying to keep it so that you can see what we're looking at. Take a look up there at the brackets, the inner fender. I don't know if you can see the inside the headlights there. I'll get under it here in just a second. This car really is, I don't know, you guys call them survivors, you call them barn finds, I don't know, I just call it a super nice car. The balance on this car, perfectly straight, hasn't been curbed against anything. Bumpers, perfect, doesn't have any nicks, dents. Sport grille is factory. I mean, this is just a nice car. If you look up inside there, you're not going to see any rust holes, you're not going to see any repairs. So this is inside the fender, so the front fender area. Here's the valance. Pay particularly close attention to the edges. There is no rust, no damage. The radiator support here, same thing, straight, clean, nothing dumb about it. Here is the passenger side fenders, and yeah, I know people replace fenders all the time, but the headlight buckets, just everything on this car is so sound. Front suspension, grommets, everything is there, all the grommets are there, no surprises, everything is nice and tight. Sway bar bushings are all there. Just a nice solid car. Drum brakes, of course, being a 69. And here's your inner your fenders. That's the passenger side. Look at behind the wheels. Look at the factory ribbing. Factory ribbing kind of sort of means that that hasn't been patched. That's the way I've always been taught. That is not rust, that's dirt. So if you're seeing any brown stuff up there, it's just a little dirt from driving across my parking lot here. Look at there, you can even recognize that those are bolts. Amazing. There's the subframe. Floor panels with the original ribbing. Transmission cross member. Everything is solid. Everything is tight. Rockers. If you look at the bottom of the floors, like I say, I love it when you can see that there's all your little rubber grommets from the factory. There's all of your floorboard ribbings. You know, so, somebody said to me, oh, you know, they could replace all those floorboards. Well, okay, if they did, then somebody spent a lot of money on this car. I prefer to think that this is just the way it is. Odometer is showing 60,000, 60. I was told the guy was the second owner. It means absolutely nothing. I've never verified it, not going to, don't care. There's your inner panel on the behind the rear wheel. There's your rear valance. And again, try to get the light on it. It's near perfect. Matter of fact, I don't see a dent on it. Leaf spring suspension, of course. Interior of the rear wheel wells. It's got full-length exhaust. Looks like somebody put some new shocks on it. The exhaust is hung properly, and they exit out the rear valance like they're supposed to. Look at how straight that is. That's absolutely unbelievable. So the exhaust is dual, obviously. Looks like it's brand new. This, one of the very few modifications. This thing has got headers on it. I would probably prefer it didn't, but you know, bought it used, so that's what you have. Bottom of the car, you're looking at 2 years sitting in my shop. This right here, that little drip right there, I believe is coming from that reverse backup light switch. And I think that's just dripping down here and going along there. I don't see anywhere else. Bottom of the pan, yeah, pretty good. Been sitting in the same spot now for 2 years. Fires right up. 4-speed pistol grip. Oh, you know what? Let me see now if I'm going to be able to find it again. Where did I find a number? This is a matching number. Oh, there we go. So this is a matching numbers car. I'm going to try my best to get that on there for you. I don't know how clear this is going to come because I really can't see that very well. But trust me, I checked. Those are matching numbers. And the transmission number is, yeah, probably not going to get that either. But the transmission number is right there. That's also numbers matching. So, rare. 383, pistol grip 4-speed, numbers matching in this condition. So I'm going to go topside and I'm going to show you under the hood and in the trunk.